This face, hard mode. I need a miracle. We proceed. Beauty is pain.
Hey! I'm too cute. My hand's shaking. We proceed. Beauty is pain.
Three, two,
Sparkle.
ugly emergency. Call the glitter. We do deluxe upgrade package.
Oh.
Beauty enhancement? Wow. Hard mode. Okay, new plan.
I can fix, but my confidence low. Don't worry, I watched many tutorials. No one saw that.
Oh, so hard to cute. I might cry. Trust me, I watched many tutorials. No one saw that!
Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement. No panic. Professional. Contour surgery. Flawless. Totally intentional.
Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement. Don't worry, I watched many tutorials.
Absolutely nothing. That's a beauty heartbeat. So ugly, but I believe in science. Don't worry, I am certified. Maybe.
Oh no. This case. Very hard to cute. Patient too cute. Resistant. But I win.
Okay, family, product shot. Oh, she's so ugly, so hard to beauty enhancement. This is art, medical art. Soft panting, little filler moment, pucker. No, don't eat it. Hey! Oh wow, she winked. Y'all saw that? Magic, approval stamp, huh?
Very serious findings. Extremely complicated case. Beauty enhancement very hard today. New plan. Deluxe upgrade package. This deluxe package includes sparkle therapy.
Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement. Patient too cute resistant. But I win. Huh? Oh, that's my face. Don't tell her, but we're about to do miracles. Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement. Easy fix. Trust the doctor. Eyebrow lift. Place.